All right, Lil. Today is weigh-in day. Do you think you lost any weight, baby? I hope so. At least an ounce or two, right? Okay, come on up. Come on. That's it. Good job, Lil. Good job, baby. You did it. You lost 4 ounces compared to last week. One new thing I did this week was I got her one of these slow feeder balls, and we only use it for dinner time. But at first I was like, man, this sucks. Like, you're already on a diet. Why are we making a game out of this now too? But she does eat really fast, and she does really enjoy it. So, sorry, baby, there's nothing in it right now. But I'll give you a green bean, okay? And then, yeah, we're just keeping track. The vet wants her to have 2 tablespoons of food twice a day. So we're just going at that real hard, making sure we're strict with that and limiting the treats. And that's it for right now. It's been really cold out, so we haven't been playing outside as much or going for walks. But at least cutting back on the food is doing something, so that's good. And then at our last agility class, one of our training partners had overheard Lily's weight loss struggles, and she recommended to us to try dehydrating green beans and trying them out with her because they're lower in calorie and whatnot, good for her. And at first I was like, yeah, okay, thanks for the advice, but this chick right here, she doesn't really like vegetables. Seriously, I've tried vegetables with her. She's not crazy about them. But I gave it a go anyways because I'm willing to try pretty much anything. And she really likes them. So I'm just going to share with you how I cook those real quick because it's super easy. Alright, this is like the easiest thing in the world. I just bought frozen green beans from Aldi's. And then we just lay them out on this tray. And then I like to stick them in our air fryer because our air fryer has a dehydrator setting and our oven does not, but you might want to check your oven because some of them do come with a dehydrator setting. And you basically just put this on the highest temperature and for like 3 hours, and they come out nice and crispy, and the dogs actually like them, so let's get it going. Alright, they just finished. Yummy. If that's not the most delicious treat, I don't know what is. I mean, look at that. They're all shriveled up now. It's great. Lily Bear, I really don't know why you like these so much. I've tried giving her green beans in the past. Of course, they were uncooked, and she ate them for like a day, and then she really didn't care about them anymore. But for some reason, dehydrated, we seem to have a winner. And my friend at training class said they get crunchy like a potato chip, and that's totally what it sounds like. Here, Grace. Oh, you're too slow, girl. Here, I'll get you one. I'll get you one. Here, that's a good one. There you go. Okay, last one. So yeah, try it out. If you have the dehydrator option on your oven at home, or if you got the air fryer, because they're so easy, and green beans are super cheap too to buy. So it's a nice little low-calorie, healthy snack that's been working out pretty well for us. So I hope that's helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.